filming this on a spur of a moment. It's a kind of clearing the fridge exercise. I don't have mozzarella, instead I'm using cheddar, a bit of cream cheese, half a pack of feta, a tiny bit of halloumi, and cheddar, right? So we're gonna make this cheese roulade. Couple of interesting little ingredients which I'm gonna add later on. You will see them, but basically it's cheese, courgettes, spring onions. Everything is going off soon, and including my I keep it as a baby wrapped in a towel. It's an opened pack, Filo type of dough. I'm looking out for it because it's only water, flour and salt, nothing else. Not so easy to get. Pitted black olives and sun-dried tomatoes. Chop them and in they go. And some Italian seasoning and 1 egg. I don't know what horrors I will discover once I open this old pack, but we do our best out of what we have. And even if it would be brittle and in pieces, we still can make something out. So it's pretty bad, as you can see, the pieces stuck together in places and broken and torn. I keep them covered at all times. So between each layer I do olive oil, thin layer. So 4 layers. You can do maybe a bit 5 or 6. I did 4, and then half of the filling goes in. Right, and we wrap it tightly as a roll and some more oil on top. The rest of the pastry is so broken that I'll do them in a tin as a single pie like that. So more oil on top, and then cut 2 pieces as you would eat them, like proper pieces, and I pour some milk on top. Some, so it's not too dry. We want it to be a bit moist. So 180 degrees, it took about 30 minutes. And quite delicious it was, and disappeared very quickly.